So, you finally decided to switch to a seamless hoop for your nostril. Brilliant choice. But then you open up a size guide, and suddenly you're staring at numbers like 6 millimeters, 7, 8, 9. And honestly, it means absolutely nothing until you see them side by side. That's exactly what we're doing today. This is a 6 millimeter ring. It's tiny, and I mean properly tiny. If your piercing sits close to the edge of your nostril, or if you've got a smaller nose in general, this might actually be your perfect fit. It hugs the nostril tightly, sits very flush against the skin, and from a distance, it almost disappears. Very understated, very clean. 7 millimeters is where most people with an average size nostril tend to land. There's still a snug, close feel to it, but you get just a touch more presence. It reads as a hoop rather than a stud, without being dramatic about it. 8 millimeters is the most commonly recommended nostril size, and there's a good reason for that. It works across a really wide range of nose shapes and piercing placements. The bottom of the ring sits just slightly below the nostril edge. It has a bit of breathing room, which actually makes it more comfortable for a lot of people day to day. And then 9 millimeters. This is the one you'd go for if your piercing sits a little higher than average, what's often called a high nostril placement, or if you've got a wider nostril. Without that extra diameter, the ring would gap at the bottom. With 9, it sits properly. So, to quickly recap, 6 for a close, minimal look on smaller noses. 7 for that sweet spot of snug without being tight. 8 as your safe starting point if you're not sure. And 9 for higher placements or wider nostrils. The key thing to remember is that the right size isn't about which number sounds right. It's about how the curve of the ring matches the curve of your nose. When it fits properly, there's no gap at the bottom and no pressure pulling at the sides. It just sits there, perfectly. All of these are available in 14 karat solid gold, in 18 gauge and 20 gauge. And yes, we also carry half sizes, because sometimes 7.5 millimeters is exactly what you need, and settling for 7 or 8 just doesn't feel right. Links are in the description.